This is the second video in a three-part series demonstrating how to connect Enterprise Manager to Operations Insights in Oracle Cloud. In the first video, I demonstrated how to configure the prerequisites in Oracle Cloud. In this video, I will demonstrate the second step, setting up the EM Cloud Bridge in Enterprise Manager. Let's get started. First, let's create a group of targets. In the EM console, go to Targets and then click Groups. Click Create and select Group. Next, enter a group name and then click Add to add the Enterprise Manager targets. Now, I search for the targets I want to add to this group, and then select the checkbox next to the targets and click Select. Click Add to save the group. Repeat this process to continue adding targets to the group. After all the targets are added, click OK. To confirm adding the group, click OK again. Next, let's create the named credentials for the Oracle Cloud user to securely connect from Enterprise Manager to Oracle Cloud. Navigate to Setup, then go to Security, and then click Named Credentials. Click Create. Now, enter a credential name, and then select the Global Scope option. Go to the Authenticating Target Type drop-down list, and then select Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. From a previous step, I have notes with the OCID information that I will need to enter now. The first video in this series demonstrates this and is linked in the description below. Now, I enter the tenancy OCID, the user OCID, the public key fingerprint, and the private API key for the OCI user. Click Test and Save. Now that I've created the OCI named credential, let's set up the preferred credential for the Oracle Management Service hosts and the host monitoring the targets. To set up the preferred credential, go to Setup, Security, and then click Preferred Credential. Search for the target type host. Next, select the row for the host and then click Manage Preferred Credential. In this example, I will set the default preferred credentials for all hosts. After I set the default preferred credential, all hosts will use these default credentials to connect. An Enterprise Manager will use these preferred credentials to authenticate the targets during all automated operations. Next, for the data export, you must set the normal host credential. Select the normal host credential row and then click Set. Select New. Then enter username and password of your host user account. Confirm the run privilege is none, and then enter a name for this credential and then click Save. These credentials are saved as default credentials. Now all the hosts will use these default credentials as the preferred credential. You can search for any host from the table below. Now I see this host uses the default preferred credentials because the green checkmark displays in the Configured column, and the default level is in the Inherited From column. To test preferred credentials for any host in this table, click Test. Click Test again, and then after the test is successful, click Close. If you want to use a unique preferred credential and not the default credentials, then you can select the host and then click the Set option. Enter the host user's credentials for that target. Now, this target will use the preferred credentials. This is considered a target level credential and not the default level credential. After setting the preferred host credential, the next step is to create the Cloud Bridge. Go to Setup and then click Cloud Bridge. Now, go to Manage OCI Connectivity. Select the OCI named credential created in the previous step Enter the OCI bucket name and the base URL from the notes created in the previous Oracle Cloud Prerequisites step. The first video in this series demonstrates this and is linked in the description below. Now, I can click Test to test the connectivity to Oracle Cloud. After the test is successful, click Create, and then click OK. Now, let's enable the data export to Oracle Cloud through the Cloud Bridge I just created. Click Enable Data Export. Select the OCI service you want to connect to. In this example, I select Operations Insights. Click the plus icon to add the source for the data export and then select the group of targets created in the previous step. Next, I select the name of the OCI bridge that I set up previously. Click Yes to confirm the preferred host credentials are set up for all OMS hosts and agent hosts monitoring the targets. Click the icon to refresh the page. Now, the dashboard for the Operations Insights service I just connected to is exporting the data for the group of targets I selected using the Cloud Bridge. After you enable the data export, then jobs will be scheduled at regular intervals to export the data from Enterprise Manager to the Oracle Cloud Object Storage bucket. In the next video, Step 3, I will demonstrate how to create an EM bridge in Oracle Cloud and how to use the Operations Insights Cloud Service to analyze the capacity planning, SQL performance, and the resources in Enterprise Manager.